Hello everyone, welcome back to my home. Grandma Sandy's out and about, so she won't be joining us today, but I wanted to take you on a little tour of my Day of the Dead vignette. Okay, so I'm going to start here. This is my little sign as you first walk in, and it says Bienvenidos, which means welcome, and I have it hanging on my little wreath hanger. So I've been able to hang some of my little signs that I get. I've done my Halloween and my autumn hanging from here. Actually, I have two of them, so I'm able to use them both at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and move this light because it's really bouncing off some of these items. So it's really hard to see. So one moment, please. Alright, I got rid of the light. Still, it's a little dark, but at least there's not a lot of glare. So I'm going to start with this. This is sort of a DIY. I had this frame and it was already painted this way and had the wires with the little decorative clothespins. It was given to me by my niece. And I decided to use this for my Day of the Dead little vignette because I wanted a cute little picture, and they were so expensive. So I picked up these 99-cent paper cutouts, cardboard cutouts at the dollar store, and I just hung some of them and then put one on the outside. And so this one I just placed on the outside with a little bit of tape, and then I just made like a little bouquet that kind of went with the skull here, but it looks pretty good. So again, it's sort of a DIY, but I didn't paint this, but I'm excited to continue to use this frame for other little vignettes that I choose to do. So now we're going to go down. And what we have here is our little altar, and on the altar we have the really pretty cross, and I get this at the Dollar Tree, no, at the 99-cent store. I get them those two confused. And the same with the little sugar skulls. I did have a plan to change the sugar skulls to really look like sugar, but I just run out of time. So next. Okay, I'm back. So here's my little coffin, and I put my little kitty inside. So when I'm out shopping, when I'm looking for items, I try to think what dual purpose can it serve, and how will I store these items that I've purchased. So in the end, I'm going to put my kitty inside, and my kitty is made out of resin. Look at the little face, it's so cute. Oh, and it has the little bones on the back. And oh, I took the tag off. I believe it was 99 cents. And you can see the kitty is similar to the one in the picture. And I also have, let me get this out of the way, and then I also have my puppy, and he goes on the other side, and he has a little coffin that he'll sit in as well for safe protection. And see, he's got his little skeleton bones, so cute. So I have both of them that I will put in the coffins for safekeeping. All right, so I will return after I reset next year. So it's an altar without a person who has been deceased. I'm gonna move this bowl out of the way so we can get a good look. And this is Grandma, sweet little Grandma. She's passed away, and we put her on the altar, and she looks so sweet and nice. However, if you get a closer look, and I'm going to try to do this without getting all of this glare, And I don't think it's gonna work, so I might have to get my hand in here. Let's see if we can move this around. And you see, Grandma kind of gets a little creepy. I don't know if you can see that. It's so hard to get the picture without there. See, she's a little creepy. And I think the glare of my camera case is showing. But anyways, that's Grandma. So we'll put her back. Now, Grandma's not a real grandma. She's just a picture that I got from the 99-cent store. Came in a pack of 4 for $1.99, and it came with that matting. So I just went to the Dollar Tree and got a frame and stuck that picture in there. But again, there's a set of 4, so I could always switch Grandma out for Grandpa, and then I have an aunt and an uncle that I could put there. So every year I can change it up. So that was a pretty good find. I was actually going to buy one online at Amazon. I believe it was 6 pictures, but I think it was like $15. So $1.99 is a better deal, I believe. Anyway, so let me go ahead and put my little bowl back, and we'll move on. So speaking of the bowls, I got these at the Orange County Fair, and I really love the colors, very vibrant, and the designs are really pretty too. And if you run your finger over it, it has a raised design, so they're really pretty. And each one is finished at the top on the edge, and they are food safe. So we're planning on using them for, like chips. I mean, not chips, but for dip, or just little things that we put on the table, or condiments. So that'll work. And then let's go back up here and talk about what we have over here. So we'll go to my left, your right. So we have in the back, we have the little sign that says Dia de los Muertos, meaning Day of the Dead. And it has the little puppy and kitty skeleton. I just love those. They're so stinking cute. And then I have a couple of coffins. Each one is flanking the oh my gosh, the altar. Sorry, it's too early in the morning. So anyways, this little guy skeleton is playing his guitar, and what I like about this is it's dual purpose. I can use it for storage, and so I have my little kitty right here in the front. So I'm just gonna show you what my plan is I'm gonna undo, and I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, let's stop the video and let me do this. So I put them back. I have a little candle, because you have to have candles for your altar. So I have one on each side of the altar, as you can see. And this one says Dia de los Muertos, and the other one's in English. It says Day of the Dead. So coming back on this side, I have my little skull lights, and I have that all on the table. And then I have my plates. So I have my charger. I didn't get a dinner plate. I was gonna get a white one, but I ran out of time. So the plan was I was gonna have a white one, just a plain white underneath here, and then place the salad plate on it. But it's okay, I like that. And so you got the bigger skull there. And so it's a little, the pictures, I guess it's the same. I thought it was a little bit different. It's just one is bigger than the other. And then each setting has a little mask, so you can come to dinner with your mask on first, and then you take it off while you're eating, or you can leave it on when you're eating. So maybe Grandma Sandy and myself will have our mask on for Tea Tuesday for Dia de los Muertos. I have to do that very slowly so I say it correctly. I still don't know if I said it right. Anyway, so then I have some flowers, traditional color flowers, and they have a little bit of glitter on them. So I thought that was cute. And then I have my little bunting flags down here. It goes across. I tried to find a serape and I couldn't find one. So these napkins are from Mackenzie Childs. I got it on the barn sale, so I just thought I'd use that instead. It looks pretty good. The color is, it's close. It's not as vibrant as a serape would be, but it works. It offsets with the orange tablecloth that I have here. So, and then the other side of the vignette has the same exact place setting. And then I have my little dog and the girl coffin. And then in the back I have my Day of the Dead sign. And last but not least is my Mackenzie Childs. I just put this little piece of fabric over the top and have some little skulls in there, and so that just changed it up and made it look a little bit creepier. So I hope you enjoy my home tour of the Day of the Dead, and Grandma Sandy will be back next time. Sorry she missed out. She was out shopping. Bye bye. Have a good day.